It's a real privilege to move this motion at the highest echelon of our party, the PDP. And I will plead with you to listen very attentively, because if we don't tell the truth, we are wasting our time. We want to inform the Nigerian public that this party doesn't collapse. This party is a political iroko tree. And the iroko tree doesn't fall anyhow. Motion, the expulsion of the following persons from the People's Democratic Party for anti-party activities and gross breaches of the party's constitution, pursuant to Article 10, Subsection 6, and 58, Subsection 1, and 59 of the PDP Constitution as amended in 2007, and the elective convention of this People's Democratic Party held at Ibadan, Oyo State, on the 15th and 16th of November 2025. The following members: His Excellency Wike, His Excellency Ayo Fayose, Senator Samuel Anyanwu, Honorable Umar Batuku, Adeyemi Ajibade SAN, Muhammad Abdulrahman, Senator Mao Muhabwa, Honorable Austin Wachuku, Abraham George Turner, and Chief Dan Obi. Whereas Article 33, Section 2, Subsection 1, Subsection 3J of the People's Democratic Party Constitution of the 7th as amended, the National Convention of the party shall have supremacy in all matters pertaining and all organs of the party, including matters of discipline of officers and members. Whereas it is important to underscore the fundamental principles that the political party is a voluntary organization and members are expected to join if they so wish. And as explained in our Constitution, Section 40, as amended, and are to be bound by its fundamental principles and aspirations as expressed in its Constitution. Mentioned above have committed various breaches of the party's constitution, including and canvassing for vote for dates of election, conducting illegal and parallel congresses, sponsoring litigations against the party, most recent of which suit number C ABJ CS 2120 dated 2025 between Honorable Wike and others versus IPEC and others seeking to stop the 2025 Collective National Convention for no just cause, contrary to Article 58, subsection 1 and subsection J of our Constitution. In that case, Senator Amukel Ayaw Ebu Umar Bature Kabaldin Adeyemi Ajibade ingloriously supported Wike and others to ensure that the 2025 National Convention did not hold. The party has completely lost its esteem, regard and respect the eyes of the public on account of despicable conduct of the former governor of Rivers State and these men he recruited to help him destroy the party, contrary to Articles 58, subsection 1, subsection B, and subsection I of our Constitution. I, Chief Olabode George, hereby move that this convention expel this person so mentioned above from the People's Democratic Party. I so move.
Beginning with Elder Nelson Wike, Ayo Payoshe, Senator Samuel Anyalu, Honorable Umar Bature, Adeyemi Ajibade, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Senator Mao, Honorable Austin Wachiku, Abraham Ama, George Dana, Chief Dan Obi, with the expulsion as per the motion raised ably by our elder statesman, citing our constitutional provisions as enumerated, that is Chief Olabode George, and ably seconded by my chairman, Chief Adamu Bunga. Those in support of this motion say aye.
Motion chapter. Hereby is upon the motion moved by our elder statesman, Chief Olabode George. I hereby support the motion.